Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Chase to document proof of funds for offers, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Chase to document proof of funds for offers, you first need to log in to your Chase online banking account. Open a web browser and navigate to the Chase website. Enter your username and password, then click on the Sign In button. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab on the main dashboard. Select the account you wish to use for proof of funds documentation. Look for the Statements or Documents section within the account view. Select the option to view or download your account statements. Choose the appropriate statement that reflects your current balance. Download the statement as a PDF file for easy sharing. If you're using the Chase mobile app, open the app on your device. Log in with your credentials, similar to the web process. Tap on the Accounts tab to view your available accounts. Select the relevant account designated for proof of funds. Navigate to the Statements option in the app menu. Select the statement you need, ensuring it shows your current funds. Save or share the statement directly from the app if that feature is available. Remember that the statement should clearly display your name, account number, and the current balance. For additional verification, you can also request a letter from Chase confirming the funds. To do this, contact Chase customer service via the app or by calling the number on your account. Provide the representative with the necessary details to generate your proof of funds letter. Once received, review the document to ensure all information is correct. You can now submit this documentation as proof of funds for your offers. Make sure to keep a copy for your records and future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.